And also, if you don't have any of those things, there are internet cafes which are not very expensive. So it's very important that they do the assignment, because last year there were some students who could not do the assignment and therefore they failed the course. So what we are focusing on here is get access to the LMS, and there are so many ways of getting access, and do all these online and offline activities that we have put on the learning management system. Now we have come to one of the most important things for the students, that is the semester 1 exam. Okay, so can we discuss a little bit about the exam structure?
Yes, if you go through the learning activities and the learning content in the learning management system, actually they will find it's very easy to answer the questions in the exam paper, and the questions are based on the content and the activities given in the learning management system.
So those who have already done the activities and the quizzes and participated in the forums are very familiar with the type of questions they are going to get.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Yeah. And there is no model paper,
There's no model paper, but they can take these questions in the practice quizzes, assignments as model questions for the BIT exam.
That's right. So we have given practice quizzes and assignment quizzes and past papers through the LMS, so they are accessible by the students, therefore there is no need to give a model paper. All this information is available to all the students who are following this course.
Yes, past papers are actually available in the BIT site, bit.lk site.
Okay.
In the LMS they will find the practice quizzes and the assignment quizzes.
Alright. Okay, now there are 60 questions in the question paper.
Yes.
Is that right? Yeah. And it's a 2-hour question paper. So students need to know that though there are 60 questions and 2 hours, that doesn't mean that you are going to get 2 minutes per question, because you need to have some time to read the questions, and then you need to have time to read the instructions and then transferring to the answer sheet. That is very important that you allocate time for that. And also some questions are easy, very straightforward questions for which you don't take much time, and some questions you need to read a lot and do all the calculations, therefore you need to have some idea of how you are going to allocate the time. Okay, so that is that can be practiced by doing some past papers, not just once but a few times, in order to practice the time management of answering the questions. Okay, so what are the other things that the students should know about the exam?
Yes, we have to make sure that there are no true false type questions in the paper, exam paper, even though we have given lots of questions in the assignments and practice quizzes. And again, when they are going for the exam, they should bring a pencil. They have to bring other than that, pen and eraser, and all the other instructions will be given to them actually from the BIT office before going to the exam.
Yeah.
Once they get the admission card, actually we will provide them the instructions.
Even marking the answers, they have to do it carefully because it's machine marked.
Yes.
Yes. So you need to follow the instructions carefully, and all the instructions will be sent to you, as well as it's available on the learning management system. So you need to make sure that you take the proper kind of pencil, and no correction fluid can be used.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
So you can't use Tipex to erase and all that. So you make sure that you have. That is why actually it is advisable to mark it on the paper and then transfer it to the answer sheet.
That's why we ask them to bring a pencil there.
That's right. So you need to read and follow the instructions very carefully. And now we have discussed the second half of the syllabus for IT1303, and we have actually discussed the exam structure as well, and we hope that the students will read the material on the learning management system, because there are a lot of offline activities, online activities, quizzes and past papers that are available. Actually past papers are available on the BIT site, but all the other questions and quizzes and assignments are available on the LMS, and you need to attempt all the activities. You need to plan the time to do all these activities before the exam, and do the assignment quiz 2, which is compulsory. So I hope that the students will do all that before coming for the exam. And thank you very much, Tushani, for being with us today to discuss all the important aspects of IT1303. And see you all later in another episode of Forum for PIT. All the best for all the students who are doing the exam.